Kerry Boulton is Australia's most respected exit strategy advisor and CEO of the Exit Strategy Group. Welcome to this week's segment.
You know, my accountant is in fact my best friend, but I'd have to say he's not my best exit strategist as far as my business is concerned. A vital part of the team, absolutely no doubt about it, but their expertise is not what you really need. You need a team of people working around you because there's so many other elements to your exit strategy. And people like transaction intermediaries, I mean, a business broker, or depending on the size of your business, maybe a mergers and acquisition specialist, or people in insurance. You need the lawyers, you need tax planners, you need estate planners. There's a whole raft of different advisors that you actually need. And as an exit strategist, my role really is to coordinate that team for you rather than for you to have to worry about it yourself. So I explain a lot of that in the book. And also, too, I can't stress enough how important it is for you to actually start putting in place just the beginnings of the elements that you need to do so that you can give yourself enough time to get to the place where you want to be, with how much money you want to have and what sort of lifestyle you want. Many of the other things that people also don't consider is what are they going to do after life after business? Because I understand you've put your heart and soul into your business. You're getting up every day. That's what you do. The business is you. Even if you're in a business, and you do need, in fact, to have a business that's not revolving around you, because that's not saleable in any way, shape or form. So one of the elements that you do need to put in place, in fact, is to work out how you can replace yourself if that's the position that you find yourself in, and I talk about that in the book as well. But then there's the human side of it, and that is, well, I'm the business is me. So that's where you really do have to stop and think about, what am I going to do after the business? Will I move on to do some consulting work? Am I going to go and play golf 3 times a week, which is great for a while, and I would highly advocate doing that. Am I going to go and do some travel? And, you know, what about my partner in life? And what are we going to do? Because a life without purpose is no life at all. Once you get out of your business and you've extracted your wealth, it's really important to think about how you can lead a purposeful life after that. So the book itself covers quite a few of those areas and explores many of the myths that people tend to take on board as truth, in fact.
If you don't have a copy of Kerry's new book, The Uncensored Truth About Exit Strategies, please visit freeexitstrategybook.com.au.